Hi, my babies. Welcome to the Crown Healer Academy. I am happy to have you all here today because we will be learning how to do a basic cornrow. To know how to cornrow is to know how to make your money honey, because not only is the cornrow one of the most requested styles in the braid industry, but it's also one of the most versatile styles in the braid industry. You can do them to the side, you can wear them to the back, you can wear them up for an occasion, to a classy event. Yes, the cornrow is one of the most simplest but most versatile, most fun styles to offer to your clients or just to practice around the house with your family and friends. So we're going to focus on repetition, hand coordination, and I'm also going to create a memory note in your mind to where when your mind is repeating this while you're practicing your cornrows, your hands will naturally follow. I'm excited to see how your braids turn out. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my page. I will definitely appreciate that, my lovelies. But yes, let's get into it. We're going to start with practicing a basic plait before we get into the cornrows. You want to start by sectioning the hair closest to the hairline, creating 3 pieces. You have a left piece, a middle piece, and a right piece. We're going to start with the right piece. Right under middle to grab the left, middle under left to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, then left under middle to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Repeat after me with a frequent flow, and also listen to my voice as you go. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Know that whatever our mind do, our body will follow. Keep repeating in your mind step by step, and your hands will naturally follow. The more comfortable your hands become, the more speed you're able to pick up. It'll definitely get easier over time, and just know with practice makes perfect. We are not looking for perfection overnight, but with practice makes perfect. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. My hands are getting comfortable, so my speed is picking up, which is amazing, which is good. If your plait look anything like mine, that means you are doing great. If it isn't, feel free to start over as much as you need to. Let's try this again with another view. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Creating this perfect plait will allow you to create the perfect cornrow. The next step will be us actually starting the cornrow. So if you have this part under control, feel free to remove the braid and let's get it. Section the hair closest to the hairline. You have your 3 pieces, left, middle, and right. Right under middle, grab the left, pinch between your index fingers and your thumbs. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Focus on what my hands are doing and repeat the steps as frequent as you need to. You guys are doing amazing. I'm so proud of your patience in making it through this far in this video. We are a step closer to creating the perfect cornrow, and I'm happy to see you guys progress over time. Remember to repeat the repetition in your mind, and your hands will naturally follow over time. Another view on how to create your cornrow. Focus on visualizing. As you're grabbing the hair, you're grabbing small pieces at a time. Remember to pinch the hair between your index finger and your thumb while repeating the repetition in your mind. Pinching small pieces behind the braid while keeping the repetition in your mind. Pinch, index and thumb. Repeat the repetition. You're pinching on both sides to grab small amounts of the hair. And again, if your cornrow look anything like mine, you're doing amazing. When it comes to cornrows, we have a variation of type of cornrows. You have small, medium, and large cornrows. You also have cornrows that are considered stitch braids. Today in this visual, we are practicing the basic cornrow, the basic scalp braid. And other ethnicities may refer to this braid as a Dutch braid. As we are now to the back of the head, you want to still make sure that you are pinching small pieces of hair between your index and your thumb, working your way down all the way to the nape. The nape of the head is the rear hairline, and this part of the head typically gets a bit smaller. It's way smaller and less hair in the back versus the larger range you may have at the hairline of the hair, the front hairline of the hair. And as I continue to braid down, I just want you guys to look closely and try to see my fingers as clear as you can. Braiding is such a fun art and allows you to be super creative with different designs, different colors, different braid patterns, different partings, different age range, different races. It's definitely an amazing skill set to take on. If you have interest in continuing your braid journey, feel free to order you a mannequin, a human hair mannequin. I'll be sure to drop the link to this one in the description of this video. Continue to practice, practice, practice. Practice this skill and you will be a master of this craft in no time. The final touches. And I want you to take a minute to step back and look over this mannequin head or the human head that you've practiced this on, and just give yourself grace and admire the work that you just done. Especially if you're a beginner or a starter braider, give yourself grace. Look at the rope and let's remember the repetition. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right. Right under middle to grab the left, left under middle to grab the right, right under middle to grab the left. Hey. If you've made it this far in the video, I am so proud of you for taking a step forward to enhance your skill set, not only as a beauty creative, but as a braider, as a stylist, as a mom. With practice makes perfect, and whatever you dedicate your time to, you will perfect it over time, gradually, gradually, gradually. So give yourself grace. We always lead with grace, confidence, and faith, and know that all things that are possible is available to us. With love, I will see you guys on the next video. And as I mentioned, like, comment, and subscribe.